What's up guys, and the storm is upon us. The leak that we all were waiting for is here. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Steve Hammerstoffer aka OnLeaks has done it again. He has revealed the official factory CAD based Galaxy S10 Plus render. This guy has a great track record and he's been right pretty much all the time. All of his lost factory CAD leaks ended up being the real deal. So Galaxy S10 Plus, we can see 5 cameras, 3 on the back and 2 on the front. First, let's talk about the front. We are having a 6.44 inch big Infinity 00 design on the front. The 2 front cameras are here on the front and they have made 2 holes on the display. Because of the Infinity 00 design, the display is going all the way on the top. We can't see the earpiece. There is a chin at the bottom, which is similar to the leaked screen protectors, and the display is curved on the side, meaning this is a edge display for the S10 Plus model. But the pill-shaped hole is on the display. Now, OnLeaks, like I said, he's been right for the most time. Obviously, a factory CAD doesn't mean that it is exactly like the final deal. Things like bezels and camera bump, as we have seen in the past, can change. As Ice Universe said, some things are wrong, and even the OnLeaks himself tweeted out that some things will be updated. So I actually messaged concept creator, the guy who actually made the renders based on this CAD drawings, and he basically said that the side bezel is a bit off and some obvious things that will look better on the real deal, but the dual camera, the main thing that I'm personally concerned about is actually like this. And yes, it doesn't look that great and it doesn't make a lot of sense since the Galaxy 8 as the mid-range Infinity O phone has a much better looking small hole. As revealed in this official poster, it makes you think, why would Samsung go for this pill-shaped whole display? It's definitely not attractive, but I'm not going to underestimate Samsung. I'm pretty sure if they want to make the front camera small, they can do it without any problem. But I personally think there's a reason behind this choice. A specific reason that we don't know. We don't know how good the front camera will be. As we have seen with the Google Pixel 3 XL, it's a sacrifice for an untouchable front camera experience. Now, I'm not comparing the design of this with the Pixel 3 XL. I mean, this is still way better than a Pixel 3 XL. I'm just saying that there is a definite reason behind this pill-shaped front camera whole look. So you just gotta trust Samsung on this one. In comparison to the iPhone XS Max, this is how it's gonna look. Still not too bad when we compare it to a notched iPhone XS Max. Now the S10 and S10 Lite will have a single camera on the front, meaning there will be a single Infinity O hole up front, kind of similar to the Samsung Galaxy 8s, and you can expect the hole to be on the right side of the display, similar to the S10 Plus. Now on the back, we have triple cameras in horizontal orientation. Now the rest of the stuff is the same. We have the speaker position similar to the Galaxy S9 Plus. We have the Type-C port and also the 3.5mm jack. Yes, the jack is still here. There has been a lot of speculation about Samsung dropping the headphone jack, but it's not happening. The Galaxy S10 Plus is having the headphone jack, which means that the S10 and S10 Lite will also going to have the headphone jack. So that is indeed a good news. Now power button can be seen on the right, the Bixby can be seen on the left along with the volume rocker. The race to Infinity O display is on. Huawei is releasing their phone on December 17th, aka the Nova 4, and Samsung looks like they are indeed going to win the race, and they're going to be the first one to introduce the real Galaxy, aka the Galaxy 8s on December the 10th. Anyway guys, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear your opinion on this Galaxy S10 Plus design. I will keep you guys updated because soon we're probably going to get a look at the 5G model as well with the 4 cameras. And who knows, the front camera design might be different on that model. Just subscribe to the channel for that latest coverage and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.